So this seller is trying to sell something that was used before as a new, and obviously it's locked with a password. And I just figured out how to unlock it, so I want to make a video about it, so you know how to unlock your device if you forget your password. Okay, on every solar charge controller there should be a label or sticker, which is on this side. In this case, it's right here. I don't have enough wire to actually turn it around, but the sticker is right here. And at the bottom of the sticker there is a PUK number. Okay, so I got the PUK number here on this phone. Just opened up because I took a picture of it. It's very small, I cannot read it. So anyway, I'm gonna try to log in again. And as you can see, it's going to be this one here. What we're going to do, we'll request the thing. I'm going to enter six zeros, which is the default password. It will not connect, so we're going to have to get out of here. And there is a like 3 or 4 dots on the right side right here that you can see. Click on those and it will bring up the menu which says reset pin code. Okay, so reset pin code, and now you have to enter the PUK number. It's a combination of letters and numbers. So in my case is 7272, and I'm not going to show you the rest. I'm just going to enter it. Okay, so I entered the PUK code in this box. Click on done and click OK. Now it's communicating with the device and it says pin code reset. Pin code has been reset to 000000. Well, thank you very much. Now we're going to have to log in into the and close this. Settings first. Hello. And we're gonna go into the Bluetooth, and we have to. Actually, the device is not even here because it was never connected. All right, but then we don't have to do it. But if your device was connected before with your old password, you're going to have to go into the settings and Bluetooth and click on the device. Let's say it's this one here. Click on the info and forget this device. Forget device, okay, and it will just disappear. This was a different device, but this device is not there because it was never connected. So you're going to go back to Victron and we got it here. I believe that's the one. It's communicating, okay. And now we're going to enter 6 zeros. Alright, 6 zeros and pair. And there you go. We are there. Alright. That's it pretty much. This is how to reset the factory, reset or factory default password. I just want to mention that this is actually possible on any of these devices. Okay, if I'm going to go to, for example, battery protect device here, same thing, reset the pin code. and it's gonna bring the PUK code. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. These are all solar chargers, and the other ones, they don't have a Bluetooth connections because they are far away. There's another one, battery protect again. These are the pin code. Okay, so pretty much on any Victron, I believe it's going to be on any Victron device, you can reset the pin code this way with the PUK code and a sticker that is attached to the product. Alright, I thought I just mentioned it. Till next time.